Hello students, and welcome back to class. And we are studying New Interchange, Book 3, Unit 4, but I'm taking 2 or 3 lessons, and I want to make sure that you know how to say the sounds of the English alphabet, all right? And so you know we have 26 letters in the English alphabet, but we have 44 sounds. Why do we have only 26 letters but 44 sounds? Because some letters make more than one sound. If you know the sounds of the English alphabet, it is much easier to pronounce the words correctly. It's been my experience that there are many Cambodians who can speak English, they can read English, but they do not speak clearly. And so as I listen to them, I wonder why. Why don't they speak clearly? Part of the problem is they do not pronounce the consonants in the word, and they do not pronounce the vowels correctly, all right? And so I want to make sure that you can do that. And so these are all of the consonants. These are the 21 consonants. And you see that some of the consonants make more than one sound. Look at C. The consonants that are in red make more than one sound. And so C makes 2 sounds. K, S, K, S. And G makes 2 sounds. G, J, G, J. And S makes more than one sound. It makes 2 sounds. S makes the S sound and the Z sound. S, Z. And Y makes 3 sounds. Y, I, E. And so Y makes its own sound, Y, but Y also makes the sound of I and E in some words, in many words. And so I want you to practice saying these after me, all right? Practice saying them after me. Try to say them just like I say them. Ba. We do not say ba loud. None of these consonants are loud. They're quiet. Ba. So say it after me. Ba. Baby. Bird. Ka. Cat. S. City. Da. Dog. Dad. Fa. It is not fa. It's quiet. Fa. Full. Leaf. Ga. Girl. Ja. Germ. Jim. Ha. Ha. Hello. Hat. Ja. Jail. Juice. Ka. Kitchen. Key. Love. Lip. Money. Mask. New. 9. Pa. It is not pa. It is quiet. Pa. Pig. Pencil. Q is qua. The sound for Q is qua. Quiet. Queen. Red. Ring. Is not r. And we do not say red, and we do not say ring. It is, the sound of R is red, ring. S, books, sit. Z, is, isn't. T, tea, hat. V, love. 5, very. W, we, were, wind. X, X takes the sound of K and S, and we blend it together. That's how we say the sound of X. Excuse me. Box. You make the sound of the K and the S. Y, yellow. U, fly. City. Z, zebra. Zipper. And so these are the sounds of the consonants in the English alphabet. And so your homework is to say every sound just like me. And so you will want to watch this video again and pay close attention. Say the sound like I say the sound. And then I recommend you record your voice. After you record your voice, listen to me say it, and then listen to yourself say it and see if it's the same. If it's not the same, keep trying until it's the same. The way that we become fluent in English is to say something again and again and again and again, many times, and each time we say it, hopefully, we're becoming more confident and we're becoming more fluent. And then you can send your voice to me, and I will listen to it, and I will tell you if you can improve or not, all right? And so, do your homework. Your first homework was just say the sounds of the ABCs and send them to me. Your second homework assignment is to say the sounds of the consonants and send them to me, all right? See you in the next lesson.